You are looking for this perfect gift for that special person in your life. I literally bought a ton of different gifts on Amazon to test them. Today, I'm looking at these three. They are all winners. You can't go wrong with either one of them. It's just going to depend on what you're trying to do. I'm going to walk you through what is the best fit. So right over here, these are going to be the Adwell roses. I'll walk you through each one, and then I'll kind of do all the differences. This one right over here, these are going to be the FIACO glass preserve rose, and this one right over here, this one is going to be the BNXYOY. Let's start with the Adwell ones right over here. I'm going to run through these pretty quick. So these are the Adwells. So these are roses. They come in this box right over here. We've had these for 6 months. They look like we just got them. They have a rose smell to them, so that's just something to note. Really makes the effect even more real. They do come in higher sizes, so if you wanted like 2 dozen or whatever. This is going to be great for Valentine's Day, special occasions, anniversary, milestone, all that kind of stuff. Mother's Day, if you wanted to do that, can't really go wrong with any of this. These also light up. So you'll see right here, it has this little device right over here, and there's 3 different settings to this. So you can see the lights are kind of going crazy right over there, and they slow down a little bit, and then they stay solid, or you could shut them off. This doesn't really affect anything in there. It literally just kind of pops down right over there. You don't even see it. Comes tied with a nice little ribbon right over here. Again, this is the box it comes in. Gives you that high-end feeling, kind of like with those kind of like shopping bags. It does come right over here. You'll see on the back. There was like a zip tie here, so the roses do get zip tied in there, so they don't move around. Doesn't damage them or anything like this. This next one right here is the FICA. This is actually really cool. Comes with this Best Wishes card right over here. So you'll see right over here, these are preserved roses. All of these have preserved roses, which means they are real roses. They were just treated and preserved, so they will last 3 to 5 years. So just note that. This is the different colors we have here. If you don't like these colors, they have other colors for you. I could really see getting a couple more of these actually, because my girlfriend does really like these. So I might get another one, but this is what they look like right here. You're gonna get like 3, 4-ish main roses. I don't know if that one on the bottom counts. This is exactly what it looks like right over here. This is an angel. This is glass. So just note that. Comes packaged really well though. Don't have to worry about anything like that. We got kind of like the gold colored halo right over here. We got the gold on the wings as well. And then right up front here as well. This one also lights up. So it has a bottom right over here, and then you could just light this up. Really, really nice how that lights up for you. I mean, if you really wanted to go all out, you could get all 3 of these, but you could decide after that. So that's what this one looks like. You don't need any batteries whatsoever for these. You literally just comes with one of those pull tabs, pull that tab out, turn this on, you're good to go. This one looks really nice lit up. This one right over here, we're jumping over here to, I forget how to say this, the BNXYOY. So this is what this one looks like. When you pop this open right here, it says love. So you can see that. Really nice feature there. This one is a single rose right over here, a nice big rose. And then when you open this drawer right over here, this is how you're going to turn these lights on. So the lights are on right now. Kind of ruined the surprise there. That's all right. It has this little control right over here. You could turn that on or off however you want. I really do like how it says love. And then you get this really, really nice necklace right in here. So you'll see this is exactly what it looks like, just like that. We got a nice little heart here. This is a really, really nice piece. You'll see this is kind of what the back looks like. Super sturdy, could easily wear this every day. That's kind of what the clasp looks like. You could tell it's not cheap or anything like that. And you get like a nice, I don't know if you can see that, big, like I have really big fingers. I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to open that, but no problem opening that. So with this one, you get the rose, you get this nice little case, and you also get this necklace. So that's kind of a quick rundown of all 3 of these right over here. So what is kind of going to be the best one for you? So I would say, I don't know. It just really depends on kind of your style. I would say the roses right over here, great for Valentine's Day. Same with this one right over here. This is like, hey, here's 12 roses. This one's like, here's a single rose and a necklace. I don't know. I just really like this necklace a lot. I just think it's really, really nice, but it just depends on what you want to do. Or you could get the single rose, all the 12 roses and this. So I think that's really nice for that. So this is going to be great for obviously Valentine's Day, special occasions, milestones, things like that. If you kind of want the smell of roses too, that is the big difference between all of these. This one smells like actual roses and flowers. It's not too overpowering, but these two will not have that rose smell. I will say this could obviously be a centerpiece and stand by itself. I'd say these two over here are more centerpieces. This could easily just sit on a counter, not a counter, but like a bookcase in the living room, maybe in the middle of a table. This could kind of be used for a nightlight if you want to go that route. So I think this is a great fit for more of like a keepsake type of item. Just maybe I'm thinking about you, congratulations. Just kind of, you don't know what to get someone and you want to get something little. I think that's a great kind of thing. This right over here, I'm almost thinking this is more on like the birthday, Christmas gift type of train. Something like, hey, I want you to have a nice necklace that you could wear every day and think about me and think of that, you know, what this represents or whatever. And you also get this nice little box that they can look at. And I do think the nice part about this too is this looks really nice open. I love that it says love. This rose lights up. And then you could like you could even hang this like this if you kind of wanted to do that. So that's like an option for you. So I would say also probably like great birthday gift for a girlfriend or a wife or whoever special is in your life. Like I said, you can't really go wrong with either one of these. So let's kind of like a quick recap right over here. I would say, so the Adwell flowers right over here, kind of great. You want to give someone roses, special occasion, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, all that good stuff. This right over here, the FICA, thinking of you. I think this is a great little, something like not too over the top. Like imagine giving this versus this. This is like way over the top. This is like, hey, congratulations, promotion, thinking of you, going through a rough time, whatever. And this I think is like ultimate birthday gift, Christmas gift. Any of these can be used interchangeably, but with you get the best of both worlds with this one. You get the rose and the necklace and a nice little keepsake box. With this one, we're just kind of looking at flowers here. I hope you found this video review helpful and you make the right decision and get the perfect gift for that perfect someone. Can't go wrong with either one of these. Give this a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And thanks for watching.